all part of a major operation targeting the exploitation of young people.
Yes, that's right, Colette. So in the past week, gardaí have carried out 10 searches across 6 divisions in relation to this. And they say that so far this year, they have made 700 referrals about child sex abuse images. That's around a 50% increase on last year. And those referrals initially come from the US National Centre for Child Exploitation and Missing Children. And these images are either viewed or generated here, but the victims may not necessarily be based here. But gardaí say that they have actually identified 40 Irish children who are based here, who have been the victim of child online sexual abuse exploitation. And these referrals come from Interpol, and they say that in most of these 40 cases, the victims are girls. They are young teenagers aged under 16, but in some cases they are very young. And they say that all these girls and some boys as well have been contacted and their families have been notified. TUSLA has also been notified, and the necessary supports have been put in place. Gardaí say that most of these images have been self-generated, so in the case where you may take a selfie and then share it with a boyfriend or a girlfriend, and then this gets then shared on and goes viral, or perhaps you upload it to a social media account and that account then becomes hacked, and then Interpol becomes aware of this.
Is shared, it's distributed, and that's where the offence takes place. It depends who they're sharing with, and it also depends where that image ultimately ends up. It generally isn't just one person to one person. Unfortunately, these things can go viral. The person that gets them might share them, people might fall out, and images might be shared, and that causes significant harm and distress, for the young person that sent the picture originally.
Now, gardaí say that there have been no arrests in relation to these 40 Irish victims just yet. They say in some cases the suspects are outside the jurisdiction, and in some other cases the suspects are underage themselves, so they have to be mindful of how they treat them and mindful of their welfare as well. And gardaí saying that really the advice about this is very simple. Just don't share any images at all online or over any social media platforms. And they say that although it may be difficult, parents should really talk to their children about the dangers of this. If they have any concerns that their images may have been exploited, you can contact hotline.ie, contact your local Garda station, and also contact the relevant social media platform.